This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a static fixed. Hope everyone's had a great night. We're ready for a great day. Let's look at the markets, shall we? Let's see. ES looks kind of flat. Let's see how flat it is. 56.23 for the low and 56.45 for the high. Not bad. Not bad at all. About 22 points in range. NQ. It's like 521 all the way up to 647. It's about 125 points in range there. Not bad. Not bad at all. Kappa. So we go about 120 ticks of range. Ultra bond. About a point, maybe a little bit more than a point in range, it looks like. It's moving. Goad pulls back. Nines everywhere. There's the nines. Looks like about 18 points in range. Crude oil. Have about a full point in range. And natural gas heading up. And then Bitcoin is sitting at 62.3. Pulls back a little bit from yesterday. So that's why we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. It rudely logs us out. Give me a second here. Update. Set update. Thank you. Update. There we go. So we are ready to rock and rumble as the market's falling here. News this morning. Let's see what we got today. Redbook. All right, that's it. Redbook. Year over year case shower. I think that moves the market. At 9 o'clock, case shower. At 10 o'clock, U.S. CV consumer confidence. So now we fall. Bulenox and Apex sales scheduled to end tonight. Whether they actually will, we'll find out. Let's have some more people here. I have a big announcement. I'll actually make the announcement several times today, most likely. Good morning, William. How are you? A little bounce. Blue candle. Let's see. ATR round 5. Ooh, didn't realize I was ready to pop in there already. Take the long. Not looking good so far. It's late too, of course, by 2 points. Do I still have blue sky in my video description? Do I really? Oh God. I swear I took that out. Thank you. Just trying. Come on, come back up. We're gonna move our stop below that. These green candles here to try and. He is gonna go. Thank you, William. You're now. I'm gonna hire you as my quality control. Stopped out. Oh no! That blue sky. That's actually a social media platform that was started by the guy that started Twitter, Jack Dorsey. Uh, yeah, totally different blue sky. But I'll probably take that out anyway because it hasn't gotten any traction anyway. Yeah. Thank you though. Thank you for. I didn't know if anyone actually ever read my video descriptions. I seriously appreciate you looking out. Yeah, it looked like it was gonna get popular. That blue sky was gonna get popular for a minute, but it really hasn't. Honestly, I mean, I could have 10,000 followers there. I haven't checked it in months. Guess I'll have to log in there and see if it's ever gotten anything. And we come further down. So well a day? Yeah, still got a ways to go. What day? 521. 521. Do have a new prop that automatically got added to the blacklist. It's called Humble Funding, and it's being done by the same people that do precision, but they're trying to hide that it's the same people that do precision. Precision. Ah, shit. Still coming down. Steam. Haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Do I think we'll break previous day low and go down? I mean, it's possible. I mean, it does seem like we're heading down, but I mean, honestly, my trades are very much in the minute, so it's like it doesn't matter to me. You know, I'm looking at entries. I mean, like right there, we're going to go to entry. You know, my trades last 1 to 2 minutes, so you know, if it continues down, I'll continue to try and get down, or I'll try and get the bounce when it bounces. Yeah, we were doing some comparison yesterday on the Discord. They're about hour away from one another, and it's it's all the same. 25 accounts allowed, and a lot of the same verbiage in the write-ups, and they're doing the same crap that Precision does with having people spam influencers to try and get them to promote. Steam. I assume you go for bigger moves, like you're looking for big drops and all that. Should have grabbed that purple. One day I will. Are you swing trading? You got in yesterday, Steam? All right. Well, good luck. I mean, what? Are you trading minis or micros? I'm just curious. I mean, that's a big win right there. That's like you're down 200 and some odd points. I didn't take this blue candle. I should have. Oh, okay. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? Try to see if this blue candle wants to finish. Candle wants to finish above the 9. Looks like the answer might be yes. Long? I must have the wrong ATR on this. I do. And down to 10. We'll adjust. I want the 20. See if it gives it to me. It does not. Looks like we're gonna get. Oh, ow! Well, not starting the day off well. Damn. So still falling. I should have taken the purple. Wow. It's just hard to trust it when it's down this far already, but whoosh. Gotta get better at that. Exciting news, everybody. This coming Thursday, August 29th, your favorite Canadian, the Canadian Futures Trader, will join me live for the entire 3-hour live stream, 8 to 11 Eastern Time. Come talk bonds with CFT. Come talk charts with CFT. He promises not to bash micros. Join me and CFT live for 3 hours Thursday morning. Yes, the one and only CFT will be joining us on Thursday. Kinda. Him and I were talking about something else, and I was like, "Hey, why I'll have you? I've been getting some guests lately. Would you consider doing it?" And he's like, "Absolutely. When do you want to do it?" And I'm like, "Whenever's good for you." And we came up with Thursday. Sorry about the static with my mic. Awesome, Williams. Sorry it ended up being a scheduling conflict for you. But it was your suggestion. Well, try. I don't know how open he is to it. Can try to see if he'll do this on a monthly or every other month basis or whatever. Well, it's probably going to go now that I didn't trust it anymore. Yep, there it goes. If anyone's interested in fast track trading, they extended their sale to Friday and the day. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Thank you, William. We try. I mean, I try my best to, be fair and balanced with it all. Yes, that's true, William. That's what they've been saying. They also said they expected to have TradeDay by July 1st and August 1st, and that hasn't happened. But it's not on. It's not really on their. It's not their fault. I won't say that. But so I don't know when TradeDay's coming. I have heard September, but yeah, that is true. They will allow you to switch over to TradeDay for free. So if you want to lock in the price now and then switch over when they get it. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Have to let the account sit idle. Yeah, that's a good point. It's still coming down. Yeah, actually, I didn't know that till you told me either. So I appreciate it. Blue candle pop. Trying to get above the 9. I like the setup. I mean, I guess it makes sense. They can't really transfer over balances from one data feed to another. So yeah, you would just have the account just sitting there. I mean, I think if it were me, I think instead of going through the hassle of transferring people, I would just run the sale, whatever sale, when they finally get TradeDay, and then let people sign up. Yeah, yeah, I know. I've heard of her, but it makes sense. Um, they're not gonna, like, if you have a $500 balance, they're not gonna transfer that over to TradeDay. I'm not even sure you can do that. I mean, you probably can, but I'm not sure. But yeah. Yeah, they keep saying that. You know, they said nothing above 30%, and then they're doing the 49% right now. I mean, I mean, that a lot of that can be marketing because you never know when they're actually being serious. You know, a lot. It's not just them. A lot of places do that. On Roz, are you serious? You're not gonna get above the 20 for me, really? Come on. Well, I put the stop below that last green candle. Let's see what happens. Yeah. And they also claim when and if they ever get credit cards, no, but there will be no sales at all. Gold falling over there. The 25.44. Yep, gonna get stopped out again. Wow. Nothing going right today. Of course. And dips and then comes back up. If I had left my stop at the spot it was, we'll still be in the trade. But person needs to get out of the industry because they're going to end up staining the industry. There's kind of hemming and hawing here around 561. Hey, John, how you doing? I'm trading horribly so far today. Three trades, three losses, down over $300. But we'll recover. How about you, John? Have you taken any trades yet this morning? Awesome, John. And back down. Still falling. What did I say? 21. We're getting closer to that low a day. Steam, if you're still here, it's looking like it might be doing what you wanted to do. Yeah, they have a chance to break the all-time modern loss record. Ooh, there's a bounce. Oh, coming right back down. Yeah, they have a chance to beat that. There we go. Come on up. There we go. I remember that team. Yeah, I thought there was a chance that team was. That's okay, William. I appreciate you thinking of me. 1-1. How are you? I won't even ask them. They're not the nicest people to try and talk to. Okay, let me. I've never dealt with them customer service wise. I've seen how they talk to people in the Discord. Their Discord's an absolute dumpster fire. Scott bans people based on their political leanings. He'll ban people if they ask a question he doesn't like. Scott's the CEO, so um, he'll insult people straight out. In the early days of their Discord, they allowed porn links. They did stop that one. JVZ3, first, welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name, so I'm assuming you're new. Welcome. Happy to have you here. So, any good futures firm allowing swing trading? Good is a. So there's a few accounts that allow swing trading. Elite Trader Funding has an account called Diamond Hands, but Elite has a weird 23% rule on their payout policy that you'll need to read up on and see if it's something you want to deal with. Uprofit has their 9K account you're allowed to hold overnight, but not over weekends. Phidias, Phidias, has swing trading accounts, but you're allowed to hold overnight and over weekends, but you have to exit for major news. So I'm not sure the purpose because that's not a true swing. I think there's another one that's going to be coming soon. I know Uprofit has one in beta testing, a better swing account. And there's a couple other props that are talking about it, but there really isn't a lot of good options right now for swing. Good morning, Ace. How you feeling? But I think that's going to be something that's going to be becoming more popular. It's just not here yet. Because I'm an idiot, I'm going to try this again. Ace, I got a big surprise. Well, just here. I'll run the promo for it again if I find my software. I'm going to get stopped out again. This is just not my morning. If I can find it. Exciting news, everybody. This coming Thursday, August 29th, your favorite Canadian, the Canadian futures trader, will join me live for the entire 3-hour live stream, 8 to 11 Eastern Time. Come talk bonds with CFT. Come talk charts with CFT. He promises not to bash micros. Join me and CFT live for 3 hours Thursday morning. So yeah, the one and only CFT will be with us on Thursday. Uh, Kind of my own system, JVZ. Um, uh, CFT hasn't done anything on YouTube in a long time. He'll occasionally put out a video. Yeah, I'm gonna have the bonds up. I'll put it on on this one main screen here, and we'll watch the bonds. Look at this fall. Whoosh! New low a day down to 508. Nice ace. That's amazing, John. Is that on an eval now? How how close are you to passing? That's got to be pretty darn close, I would think, because there's no micro on that. Trying to bounce here. It's getting no momentum to the upside. Oh, there we go. As I say, that burst up. Nice, John. So I'll be working on it, but announcing it later. Um, the official announcement will be later, but so Monday is the 3-year streaming anniversary for MightyOxTrading. Monday's Labor Day, so we won't be streaming. I blame the U.S. government. Anyway, so Tuesday will be the official celebration of 3 years since the creation of MightyOxTrading. And so far, I have secured 10 evaluations to give away from various companies. I got 2 from Legends. I got 2 from Phidias. I got 2 from MyFundedFutures. I got 1 from Take Profit Trader. I got 1 from, I forget. Funded Futures Network. 1 from Bulenox. And I have Fast Track considering it, but they haven't given me a yes or a no. Morning, Market Trend. How are you? We are just a few minutes until the top of the hour. A few minutes plus 30 till the bell. So Ace, you already got your 2 points? Yep. Relax, my friend. Enjoy taking it slow for a little bit. Blue candle. It went away. Yeah, could not continue up. Again, gets hung up on the 9. Drips down. Easy for me to say. We did not break 500. 19,502.50 is our low. Another pop. And another reminder that the Apex and the Bulenox sales end, well, scheduled to end tonight. Soon, John, you're gonna have 11 Bulenox accounts, copy trading RB to them and all, and become filthy rich. Down. And back down we come. Back down to that same support area. 502 is the low. We're at 507. Give me a second. I'm responding to somebody. Quick drop down to 476. Hold on a minute. I have that information. Yeah, only on Top Step X, William. At least for now. And again, right back down. We are about 23 minutes till the bell. And we just have kept dropping all morning. If I had just hit the short button, I would be in the money. Instead, I keep trying to fight the trend, and I don't know why I do that. But I'll figure it out eventually. I will figure it out eventually. Or die trying. No. And now this one's working, of course. So we'll try to recover after the bell. I mean, I might still take a trade here, but I do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. At least better than me. If you are enjoying today's stream, I would appreciate if you would gore that like button for me. Here's finally a bounce. It got down to 476. It's back up to 500. It's a nice little bounce there. Does anyone want to join in on our platinum challenge? Basically, a bunch of us are buying a really cheap eval, but you can buy any eval you want. If you want an expensive eval, you can do that too. But we're doing a cheap evals and trading only platinum to see if we can pass that eval. It's just a fun little community event. Doing it on Discord, but if you're not a Discord person, we can include you anyway. Rising back up, so finally bounce. Nice move up, actually. So yeah, well, it's just for topstep X, and it has its own any new account. So if you already had an account running, that one will not have it removed. It's for new accounts only or reset accounts. Yeah, yeah. It trades the entire day. We did it this month with agriculture products. Only 2 people survived, but I think platinum's going to be easier, honestly. I'm using a Bulenox 50K. A lot of people use Bulenox 25Ks. CFT used like a MyFundedFutures. Yeah, and I did have to remind people of that because we did agriculture this past, in August. Oh, whip down there. Hey, RJ, how you doing? Let's look at the bonds right now since CFT would be here on Thursday. It's a nice little pop there. I need to put on a couple of my other. But yeah, it's a nice little move up. I'm gonna be doing one or two of them. I'm gonna do on the Discord, and the rest will be through. I'm not sure if you've seen my prior giveaways where I've used Gleam.io, where you can gain entries by doing certain things like liking a tweet and so on and so forth. Yeah, no, they close for 45 minutes and reopen when the bell rings. William. It's either gonna be Gleam or it's gonna be there's one like it. I'm trying to figure out which one's better. I've used Gleam in the past, so it'll probably be that one. But we'll probably do one of the MyFundedFutures and one of the Legends accounts on the Discord. Because actually, this is the 30th anniversary for the creation of the community, and then like mid-September is the 2-year anniversary of the creation of the Discord. Big pop. If that wouldn't be on the ICE exchange, that'd be great. But ICE, you have to pay extra for. Yeah, I mean, there's a bunch that support ICE, but you gotta. There's none that give the exchange free even in evals. It'll have to be like $100. Um, what happens when you try Speed Racer? I can help you with that. Like here, let me put up the Discord link right now and tell me what happens when you try to get into my Discord. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, good point. Just tell me when and how we can, you know, talk off of here if you prefer. Whatever. Still put up the Discord link for anyone that might want it. Still rising up. But you can be in more than one. I'm in like 30. All right. And if it, you know, if you does if it doesn't work, let me know. We'll figure it out together. Still trying to rise up here. And everyone, make sure you're here on Thursday. CFT will be joining me live on the mic. I really need to get a new mic. Dang, stupid thing. Stupid thing. Rising back up. So, yeah, definitely a nice rise from 476 all the way back up to 518. back. Yeah, it's like $100 or something, 150 a month. Ice data. I haven't heard from JJR in a couple of days. Vincent, it's been a couple of years. A lot of people. It's the one of the things about the internet in general and about doing this is you just lose track of so many people. They just kind of disappear. Remember a bunch of people from the start. Walt Rhines and Vincent and Nina, big supporters of me at the beginning, all just kind of got abducted by aliens. Hello, the Rock Studios. Can you smell? Oh, sorry. Yeah, but and I agree with that, Ace. But honestly, when you think about the internet in general, I've been part of, I've been part of a Phillies message board for like 24 years, and the names that just kind of disappear from there that were longtime posters, and you don't know what happened to them. It's just the internet in general, really. Every now and then, someone will disappear, and a little while later, a relative will come on and say they passed. That's why I said I'll make sure I will, if something ever happens to me, community would be notified. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the 2-minute warning. I'm here zoning out. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Big boost up here right before the bell of the 530. Oops, got there's the bell. Pulls back. Suddenly got a case of the yawns. I'm not sure where that's coming from. And so far, chop it open. Chop it, chop it, chop it. $200 is a good goal, Crypt. Flexytrade is ending their 90% at the end of the month. Just got that email. You need to change that because, if you pressure yourself and blow it, you're not going to get any payout in 2 weeks. So go slow and steady and work for a payout after a month instead, because, that'll be better than blowing it and not getting any payout at all. Quick rocket up here, up to the 100 EMA. Bulenox should be extending their 90% now till the end of the month. But we might actually see the 90% go away now because if Flexy's and that's who Bulenox has been price matching. And down we come. Bounced off that 100 EMA. Comes down, bounces off that support from the trigger point. I'm snotty today. Yep, Dow's trying to break it. Break it to bought it. Oh. Back down, try to hang on 500. Can it hold? RJ's long the Dow. Well, NQ breaks back under 500. Whoosh. Bounce. No bounce. No bounce to the ounce. And we are down 45 points on this 5-minute candle. Did you know that more bounce to the ounce was the slogan of Pepsi back in the 1950s and 60s because it had more sugar than Coke. And they said thus it gives you more of a bounce. Battle stations, RJ, battle stations. Ooh, yeah, you really are. Big pullback there in the Dow. Still falling. There's a bounce on the Dow. Lower than we've been on NQ since Friday, Friday the 16th. Blue candle bounce though. As happy as I heard someone say they're green since Kermit the Frog accidentally got put in bleach. That blue candle's gonna hurt me. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. Should have did this with micros. I don't know why I didn't do it with micros. There we go. Come on, bounce for me. Oh yeah, there you go in the Dow. Up to 334. You call it 376. Let's see if it gets there for RJ. Let's see if NQ gives me a reprieve here. Nice. So you're up 50, more than 50 ticks. Look at that. Boom. Come on, get me. Yeah, there we go. Get some momentum. Ah, really? There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Just can't get above that 9. Just trying though. Ah. It's gonna come down and stop me now. Yeah. Whoosh. Well, I'm glad I got out where I got out, or how I took the full stop. Hey, GB. Yeah, it's on sale right now, Crypt, for 85. $85 lifetime, Crypt. That's, you know. Excellent. Still in, RJ? See, there's a little bit of a pullback there. And Q bounds back up. Are you trying to be like Mr. Miyagi? Wax on, wax off. Nice trade, RJ. And Q popping up. Nice. Nice bounce here on NQ. So we got down to 441, bounced up to 507. Hey, Ghost, how you doing? Nice. Ghost. Unlike you to trade this time of day. Back up to the 100 EMA. Can it break through? Do you ever figure out why you drew those support and resistance lines? Struggling at the 100 EMA. Blue candle trying to force its way through. Boom. 22-point candle. Oh, yes, yes, there is. We have news coming. USCB consumer confidence coming up at the top of the hour. I didn't take that blue candle. Obviously, I should have. Kind of lost my mojo today. I'm a mojo loser. We're up 64 points on this 5-minute candle. William, I am an affiliate of Replicanto. Also an affiliate of Quant Tower. I'm an affiliate of Phidias Trading, a trading education and trading coach. Yeah, Quant Tower. I need to actually get those links like up. As for VPS server, I'd have to find one I know that's trustworthy to do that. I don't like promoting anything I don't trust or don't have. Yeah, I need to get those in there. Like I said, I didn't realize anyone actually looked down there. I thought I was just putting stuff down there for no good reason. Yeah, I'll work on revamping the video description below. I mean, Replicanto is better than Apex's white label of it, but I mean, Quant Tower trade copier, a TradeDay's trade copier seems to be more reliable. Duplicate account actions. What is duplicate account actions? Pull us back here a little bit. Oh. Curious, how much is it, and have you heard of people using it? Oh, yes, it did. It's back down to where you entered. Breaking the 100 EMA on the one. Having fun playing soccer, Cryptica? I thought it did. I haven't used it in a while, but I thought it did, William. Oh wait, no, you're right. No, you're absolutely right. Not the yeah. You can't use the ATMs with it. You're right. You have to put in manual stops and targets. They'll copy them if you put it in manually, but you can't use an ATM. Nice script. Correct. William, correct. Yeah, it is. I mean, I have very rarely used copy traders at all. I don't 100% trust them. The thing I hate about TradeDay, even more than that, is that when you're in a trade, it'll show you the total amount of ticks you're up or total amount of money you're up for all the accounts. So, if you're up 10 ticks and you're copy trading 3 accounts, it says 30 ticks. Or, whatever, how much money that is. And that can really mess with your mind. Yeah, that too. I've never used Replicanto. I have used Quant Towers a little bit. And I've used Topstep X's. You dance Crypticon? Oh no, you can't. Yeah, you can't do multi-firm. But I did do multi-firm with Quant Tower just to test it. TradeDay doesn't let you do multi-firm either, does it? I mean, I've never tried or tried to figure out if it's possible. Purple. Can it get through? It bounces on the 20, so let's see. Big candle. A short, I think. Oh yeah, that's true. I forgot you can connect ninjas with Native. Yeah, yeah. Good point. Good point. I was just thinking of. Yeah, but that would be with Replicanto, right? Or similar. I was talking about TradeDay's actual in app. The heck? Well, guess I hit my daily loss limit on MyFundedFutures. Holy crap! Yeah, I did. Not a good day. Yeah, because Ninja really doesn't. Ninja's not a huge fan of rhythmic. Exciting news, everybody! This coming Thursday, August 29th, your favorite Canadian, the Canadian futures trader, will join me live for the entire 3-hour live stream 8 to 11 Eastern Time. Come talk bonds with CFT. Come talk charts with CFT. He promises not to bash micros. Join me and CFT live for 3 hours Thursday morning. Yeah. And now we come down. Also said a purple candle too soon. I bounced. Hey, Platt Weintraut. Welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name, so I'm assuming you're new. If you've been here before and I've forgotten you, well, I'm old, so there's that. I might have early onset Alzheimer's. And that's okay. Well, either way, I appreciate the support. 10-year note. Nice. It doesn't look real exciting, but I'm sure you've. I think I've looked at that before and then went back to looking at the ultra bond when I look at bonds. It's well, like 15 something a tick, 1583 or something like that. 63? I don't remember. Weird, I can remember that, but probably couldn't even tell you what I had for supper last night. It's interesting. Ghost. I never would have thought of that. Of course, I think it's been maybe 30 years since I had chow mein. Rising back up. Nice back. Ooh, big rise. High a day was all the way up at 647, so we're not close to that yet. Dow's back above 41,300. Still hanging here on the bands. Headed up. Think we're going to see a pullback, but my thinking has not been great today, so, definitely not just going to jump on and go short. There's a purple. Staying above the 9 now. How's everyone else doing out there? Have a great day, Crypt. Well, Flexytrade is saying that their 90% is going to end as of the end of the month. And that's who Bulenox has been price matching. See, Bulenox doesn't do sales of their own. They price match other companies. So, I mean, do I think Apex is still going to do a 90% sale here and there? Yes, I do. But, the Flexies had that 90% sale pretty much since they launched. And Bulenox price matches it most of the time. So, I think we'll see less of it next month. End of August. The email I got was, dear affiliate, our 90% discounts on all challenge plans running for months is finally ending at the close of this month. This is the last chance for your audience to benefit from this incredible offer. We will share details of our next offer with you by the end of this month. Just took a quick scalp on top step for 4.5 points. Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, it's not like, I don't mean that they're going to go away forever, but we've had constant 90% for the most part from Bulenox and Flexi for months. So I just think that we won't see that. We'll still. I mean, Apex is still going to run 80%. Bulenox price matches that with 83%. So I mean that could be the best deal, most of the time. Apex's third anniversary is coming up too in middle of September, so I expect a big sale then from them. Plus, they may be getting close to. They might be getting close to 300 million. Nah, they're still sitting at 269. Their payouts have slowed down. But that said, we might be seeing a slowdown or less. These companies might be looking at what Fast Track's doing with, only 30% off or 49% off, whatever, and maybe thinking that they don't need to do deep discounts as well. Struggling to get above this, and now we see the purple. No, I haven't received any email, William. That said, they don't keep me in the loop like the bigger affiliates like CFT and Charlie Baker. That'd be nice. All right, yeah, see it's back to 300. Nice bounce down there around 230s. And Q's all hemming and hawing, not sure what it wants to do with its life. Nice. All right, folks, we line up only the best guest hosts here at MightyOxTrading. We have CFT coming up on Thursday. And in September, on September 10th, RJ Wheel and I will be doing an all-day stream from 8 to 4 Eastern. And on September 20th, we'll be doing an overnight Europe to New York stream from 2:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Seeing who else I might be able to get as a guest. Oh, boom. Back above 600, up to 617. Sounds good. I know IMAD's looking a lot at the Dow. Sure where he's been the last couple days. Thursday, RJ. Really? Ghost. So you have no idea why you drew them, but they're working? Guess you could say they're, wait for it, ghost lines. Yep, he'll be here for the full 3 hours. Pulls back here. Pulls back. Blue candle trying to pop up here. Not going to trust that floating. About 30 minutes ago, crude oil inventory. No, it's tomorrow. Never mind. I apologize. I almost said crude oil inventory, so that's tomorrow. I think we're at high day. We are, new high day. So quite the bounce. Are you still in the trade, RJ? Still rising. I see NQ a rising. I see Trouble on the way. Don't come around tonight. Sorry. Up to 663. Bulls back. Touches the 9. Bounces. Staying above the 9. Yeah, it's trying to bounce there, see, on the 20 on the Dallas. This little blue candle there. Purple candle. I like it. I'm ready on top step to take it. Big candle though. We call him the short GB. Dow dancing around 328. So I've taken little quick scalps on topstep X for just a couple points. I'm now 533 away from passing that eval. Yeah, remember the Bulenox sale might end tonight. It might be extended now because Flexi extended. Apex is scheduled to end tonight. It might be extended as well, but no guarantees on either one. Still hanging on the 9 there. Dow hanging at 330. See ya, Ghost. Have yourself a great day. Still hanging on this 9. Blue candle on the 9. Not really trusting that. Where's everyone sitting on the day? And have you hit the like button for me? So I saw an interesting thing on Twitter. When sports betting became legal in 25 states and DC, that is, since that started happening, investment flows in the brokerage accounts have gone down significantly. In fact, here is the chart. You can see here, this is where legalization started happening, and this is the investment flows since then. Bouncing a little bit now, but look at that. So people are putting money into sports betting instead of the stock market or other investments, other brokerage, futures, whatever. Interesting. CME Group is launching a new futures. Beginning September 30th, our small and most accessible Bitcoin contract yet, Bitcoin Friday futures, is available at 1/50th the size of a Bitcoin. Meanwhile, we're still choppy here, though that purple candle looks enticing. We're going to try it real quick. Not going. I'm out with 3 points. And then it'll go in more, but that's okay. I keep chopping away at this eval. Ah, man, I should have held. Pops back up. RJ, I see YM is also just kind of hemming and oh, never mind. There's a quick burst down on everything. YM and Q. Bounces right back up. Pops right back up. Back up to 661 and back down. Everyone got really quiet. And bouncing. Bouncing again off the 20. Have a great day, John. It's a great day of trading. Might need that algo. Trade RB. Have fun at the Tigers game. Quick whip down. But this is kind of choppy here. It's been sideways for the last 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes or so. And there it's rocketing back up. I think it's a new high day. It is. 672. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for another great day of fun trading action. Everyone, remember to stay within your rules and stay green. We'll see you tomorrow. I actually put the end screen back in so I can do this. Enjoy today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.